So Dylan, how does it feel to be here right before Carnival?
It's a trip to see all the setup. I'll tell you one thing, I got mad respect for Brazilians. Like, what it take to hold down them spots, the prime spots, so they can sell their beer, their Red Bull. It's incredible. But it's a trip to see like all the construction, everything that go into it. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because the last time you came here, Carnival was already going on, so you didn't see like the preparation.
Yeah, I came here day one of Carnival, and like I said, now seeing it.
Let her bother me,
Hey, yo, going crazy.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that capping. Yeah, he need be relaxing, he need did your taxes. Yeah. We went triple platinum, I don't wanna hear no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, put me to my ends. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? Should've knew I was coming, just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest is me and running. I promise to keep it 100, keep it 100. You see me down in the house, so you got that respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. Got it all. But now I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been.
I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check, now I'm flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing, new rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yak. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks. He tuck and get cold in the rack. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win.
Young and chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young and out that bottom body beat the odds. Yeah, you love it all. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been, ever been. He richer than he ever been, ever
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Cause the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, Miss and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this. I said, dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, you baby. Now shorty grab hold of my hand.